You hand over the keys, the engine rumbles to life, and your most valuable asset rolls off the lot. The moment that truck turns the corner, it vanishes into a void. You are now operating in a complete blind spot. Without real-time data, you are suddenly relying on hope and guesswork to manage your fleet's daily movements. That information vacuum has an immediate financial cost. Drivers may take inefficient looping routes. Engines might sit idling for hours. And your monthly fuel bills inflate, completely out of your view. Add in the use of analog, handwritten time cards, and the problem multiplies. Tracking down paper records creates a massive administrative headache and often leads to paying out unapproved overtime. Trying to run a modern mobile business on paper and assumptions leads directly to shrinking margins and daily operational chaos. But we can bridge that gap by taking the physical movement of every vehicle and translating it into a live stream of actionable digital intelligence. That is the exact purpose of Canadian Tracking Solutions. We provide the precise hardware and software required to permanently close your operational blind spot. This technology converts simple location data into a command system for reclaiming total operational control over your fleet, your assets, and your bottom line. To achieve that level of control, the technology has to be incredibly sharp. Our hardware transmits your fleet's location every 5 seconds. Looking at this animated split screen, you can see exactly why that speed matters. Standard delayed tracking on the left gives you a choppy, inaccurate path that skips over critical details. The 5-second interval on the right maps out a perfectly smooth, hyper-accurate route, capturing every single turn and stop. With that dense stream of accurate data flowing in, your dispatchers can instantly see the reality on the ground, allowing them to optimize routes on the fly and steer drivers clear of sudden traffic delays. That precise historical data also feeds directly into your maintenance schedules. The system tracks the actual mileage and engine hours, automatically alerting you when a vehicle needs service before a minor issue causes an unexpected breakdown. By calculating the exact time it takes your workforce to travel to and finish specific tasks, you can confidently schedule and complete more jobs each day. Live location data turns the liabilities of wasted time and excess fuel into tightly managed, highly profitable assets. Managing the vehicles themselves solves one part of the equation, but tracking the exact labor hours of your workforce presents a completely different challenge. This stylized map illustrates a feature called geofencing. It allows you to draw an invisible digital perimeter around any specific job site or customer location. The moment a vehicle crosses that glowing boundary, the system automatically logs the exact entry time. When they leave, it records the exact exit. This creates an automated, unalterable digital log that instantly replaces the need to track down messy physical time cards, streamlining your daily, weekly, or monthly invoicing processes. Because the geofence records the raw data of when a crew actually arrives and departs, you guarantee absolute billing accuracy. You eliminate disputes with clients and ensure you only pay for the actual time spent on site. Beyond time and fuel, you also have to secure the heavy equipment and commercial trucks that make your business run. These assets carry a constant risk of theft. If a piece of equipment starts up or moves during unapproved hours, Canadian Tracking Solutions triggers an immediate automated alert to your phone. That instant notification gives you the ability to log on and track the asset's exact location in real time, leading to theft recovery in a matter of seconds rather than days. This level of verifiable security creates a direct financial benefit. Insurance companies recognize the reduced risk, often rewarding monitored fleets with significantly lower premium costs. Slashing fuel costs and securing assets protects your bottom line, but the ultimate power of this data is how it impacts your end consumer. When dispatchers have total visibility over the entire fleet, they can provide hyper-accurate estimated arrival times to waiting customers. Whether you run a plumbing business, a transit system, or an HVAC service, delivering on your promised arrival times builds immense trust with your client base. This operational efficiency functions as a sharp competitive advantage that directly drives repeat business and customer loyalty. Operating a fleet used to mean sending vehicles into the dark and anxiously hoping everything went according to plan. Today, it means running a confident, data-empowered organization. These tools scale to fit any need, from protecting lone workers and tracking teen drivers to managing sprawling government fleets. Stop relying on guesswork to run your business. Reach out today to request a free quote and schedule your live demo. Discover exactly why Canadian Tracking Solutions is Canada's #1 GPS fleet tracker and permanently end your operational blind spots.